Hi everyone, Adam Levine here. Welcome to the Adam Loves Guitar channel. I'll be creating videos for you here on everything related to the guitar and music in general. Whether you're a guitarist, musician, singer, songwriter, there's going to be some great things for you here. I want to thank you for stopping by, and it would mean a lot to me if you would hit that subscribe button, and let's grow this channel into something amazing. There's going to be new content every week, so you can keep coming back for useful lessons, inspiration, and some good tips to advance your musicianship. We'll have play-along tracks to practice with, lessons on jazz, blues, and rock. One of my favorite subjects, rhythm guitar, songwriting, courses for singers, world music, guest artists, and just about anything that might be swirling around my head that particular week. Please leave me a message in the comments below and let me know what sort of things you'd like me to cover here as well. Thanks for subscribing, and please, if you haven't done so already, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Learn to hear, and all will follow.